Forget whatever happened. Forget whatever happened. जो कुछ हुआ भूल जाओ. Nothing left to say. Nothing left to say. कहने को कुछ नहीं बचा. Is anyone behind you? Is anyone behind you? क्या तुम्हारे पीछे कोई है? Are you getting jealous? Are you getting jealous? क्या तुम्हें जलन हो रही है? That is enough for today. That is enough for today. आज के लिए ये काफ़ी है. Don't block the way. Don't block the way. रास्ता बंद नहीं करो. You have a way to doubt. You have a way to doubt. तुम्हें शक करने की आदत है. Talk with manners. Talk with manners. तमीज़ से बात करो. Nothing was there. Nothing was there. वहाँ कुछ नहीं था. You are very shameless. You are very shameless. तुम बहुत बेशर्म हो. He can do anything. He can do anything. वो कुछ भी कर सकता है. He threatened me. He threatened me. इसने मुझे धमकी दी. See you there then. See you there then. फिर वहाँ मिलते हैं. Don't hide from me. Don't hide from me. मुझसे मत छुपाओ. Stay here till I come. Stay here till I come. मेरे आने तक यहाँ रुको. Now you try again. Now you try again. अब तुम दोबारा कोशिश करो. I will tell you soon. I will tell you soon. मैं तुम्हें जल्दी बताऊंगा. Ali is asleep. Ali is asleep. Ali सोया हुआ है. I am getting my car washed. I am getting my car washed. मैं अपनी गाड़ी धुलवा रहा हूँ. Don't go out of the house. Don't go out of the house. घर से बाहर मत निकलो. I am trying to help you. I am trying to help you. मैं आपसे मदद करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. I have to do it. I have to do it. मुझे ये करना है. How did you know that? How did you know that? आपको ये कैसे मालूम हुआ? I think you don't want to talk. I think you don't want to talk. मेरे ख्याल से आप बात नहीं करना चाहते. Are you talking to someone else? Are you talking to someone else? क्या आप किसी और से बात कर रहे हो? He did not come today. वो आज नहीं आया. He did not come today. When did he come here? When did he come here? वो यहाँ कब आया? She lived near our house. वो हमारे घर के करीब रहती थी. She lived near our house. She slept while walking. चलने के दौरान इसकी पाँव फिसल गई. She slept while walking. I left the school in 2015. मैंने 2015 में स्कूल छोड़ दिया. His car was stolen. His car got stolen. इसकी गाड़ी चोरी हो गई. I did not knock at your door. मैंने आपके दरवाजे पर दस्तक नहीं दी. I did not knock at your door. He married last month. इसने पिछले महीने शादी की. He married last month. I left my purse at home. मैंने बटुआ घर पर छोड़ दिया. I left my purse at home. He plucked the flowers. इसने फूल तोड़ दिए. He plucked the flowers. He left at 10 o'clock. He left at 10 o'clock. वो 10 बजे रवाना हुए. Did he tell anything? Did he tell anything? क्या इसने कुछ कहा? कुछ बताया? तो प्यारे शागिर्दों, ये था आज का सबक. अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो प्लीज़ लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर भी करें. शुक्रिया. थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग. और अगर कोई राय हो आप कमेंट में लिख कर दे सकते हैं.